Ito na. Ito na talaga. Ito na yung pangarap mo, Alexi May.
I would
Kay
kindly
Moss
ask the
Brooks,
Philippines and Indonesia to take a step forward.
ikaw ang kokoronahan. At pwede ka pang lumaban ng Miss Universe 2026 soon. Ito na yung pangarap mo, Pilipinas.
Okay, so what's going to happen now is that I'm going to announce the winner. I'm going to announce Miss Eco International 2025, and that would automatically
Pangarap mo
make
ito
the other
at
contestant the
i-raise
first
mo ang flag ng
runner-up.
Philippines.
Our winner for the night,
Philippines.
Miss Eco International 2025. Now, I need like the most suspense that you can ever make, okay?
Alas 6 na ng
Miss
Pilipinas.
Eco International
Ikaw na,
2025
Pilipinas.
is...
Ayan na.
I need more suspense.
Ikaw na. Iuwi mo ang corona. Iuwi mo. Iuwi mo.
You were doing the suspense better the last time. Oh, wow. Where's that coming from?
Salamat, Pilipinas. Kay Moso.
I love the energy.
Alexi. Ang galing mo.
The winner
Filipinas,
of
proud of
Miss
you.
Eco International and Miss Eco International 2025
Yes,
is
you did
the
it.
Philippines!
Yes, you deserve it. Oh, Alexi me.
The Philippines, our winner for the night, Miss Eco International 2025.
Yes,
Congratulations, Indonesia, our first runner-up.
Pilipinas.
Thank you so much, everyone, and have a great night.
We did it. Wow. She deserved the crown. A legendary. Wow. Raise the flag. Ayan, natupad na yung pangarap mo. Di ba? Consistent. Thank you, Alexi May Brooks. Wow, ganda ng corona mo. Bagay na bagay sa'yo. You deserve it.